Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to print W2 form in QuickBooks Online. First, let me tell you exactly what is this form. A W2 form is a tax document that employers give to their employees. It shows total wages earned during the year, federal, state, and local taxes withheld, Social Security and Medicare deductions, and who gets it, employees, and employees use it to file their personal tax return. Important to know, every employee must receive a W2. It must be provided by January 31 each year. Now let me tell you exactly how to print your W2 form. Step 1. Log in and go to Payroll. Log in to QuickBooks Online. On the left menu, click Payroll, then select Payroll Tax. Step 2. Open Tax Forms. Under Payroll Tax, click Forms, choose Annual Forms, find W2. Step 3. Select the tax year. Choose 2026 as the tax year. Click View or Prepare. Step 4. Review employee info. Before printing, check employee names, social security numbers, wages, and taxes. If anything looks wrong, fix it first. Do not print yet. Step 5. Print W2 forms. Click Print W2s. Choose employee copies for employees, employer copies for your records. Use plain white paper. QuickBooks formats it correctly. Click Print. Important notes. You can also download PDFs instead of printing. W3 is not given to employees. Deadline to file W2 and W3 is January 31, 2026. If you e-file through QuickBooks, printing may not be required. And that is it. This is how you can file your W2 form. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like. Share this video to anyone who wants to print the W2 form, and goodbye.